Starting a new career is exciting. It's also scary. The thrill of embarking on a new journey is often mixed with the fear of the unknown, especially when you hear you need experience for this. It feels like a door slamming shut before you even had a chance to knock. It feels like a catch-22. No experience, no clients, no clients, no experience. It's a frustrating cycle that seems impossible to break. So how do you break free? Let's break this down. It feels impossible, right? But every successful professional has faced this challenge. You're ready to work, eager to learn, but that first client seems miles away. The nights are long and the doubts start creeping in. Don't worry, we've all been there. I certainly have. Finding a mentor or a supportive community can make a world of difference. Remember my first website design? Total disaster. It was a mess, but it was my mess, and I learned from every mistake. But that disaster taught me so much. Each error was a lesson, each setback a stepping stone, more than any classroom ever could. Real-world experience is invaluable, and every project, no matter how small, adds to your skill set. And guess what? It led to my second client who loved my work. That first success, no matter how minor, can open doors you never imagined. It's all about taking that first step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and each step brings you closer to your goals. And that first step doesn't require years of experience. It requires courage, determination, and a willingness to start. It requires hustle, heart, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the process, seek feedback, and never stop improving. Are you ready? Let's do this. The path may be challenging, but with persistence and passion, you can achieve your dreams. Think back to college projects, volunteer work, even that time you organised your family reunion. That's experience. Did you solve a problem, manage a team, create something? It all counts. Maybe you baked amazing cakes for friends. That's experience in baking, time management, and even customer service. See, you're not starting from scratch. Write down everything you've done, every skill you've used. You'll be surprised by how much experience you actually have. This is your starting point. Don't underestimate yourself. Tell everyone you know about your new adventure, friends, family, former colleagues, even your hairdresser. You never know who might need your services or know someone who does. Networking isn't about being pushy, it's about sharing your passion. People want to help. They just need to know how. Remember that design project I told you about? My classmate connected me with my first client. You never know where your next opportunity will come from. So start talking and spread the word. Offering your services for free initially can be a game changer. It might seem counterintuitive at first, but the benefits are immense. It helps you gain valuable experience, build your portfolio, and showcase your skills to potential clients. By doing so, you attract those first crucial clients who can vouch for your work. These initial projects can serve as stepping stones to bigger opportunities. Think of it as an investment. Just like any other investment, the returns might not be immediate, but they are definitely worth it. You're investing your time and skills to gain experience and build credibility. This credibility can open doors to more significant projects and higher paying clients. Pick a project that excites you, something that aligns with your passion and interests. This way, you'll be more motivated and produce your best work. Even if it's for a friend or a local charity, the experience and exposure you gain are invaluable. Plus, it's a great way to give back to the community. I remember offering free coaching sessions when I was starting out. Was I scared? Absolutely. But The experience was priceless. It was the best decision ever. Those sessions helped me build confidence and refine my coaching techniques. It helped me refine my skills, understand my strengths and weaknesses, and improve my overall approach. And eventually it led to paying clients. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Offering your services for free can be the first step towards a successful and fulfilling career. Knock, knock. Who's there? Opportunity. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly. It might seem intimidating at first, but taking that initial step can open doors you never imagined. Identify those who align with your skills. Look for companies that could benefit from your unique expertise and experience. Offer your services, highlighting how you can solve their specific problems. Research the businesses beforehand. Personalize your pitch. Tailoring your message shows that you have taken the time to understand their challenges and are genuinely interested in helping them succeed. Show them you understand their needs. Demonstrating empathy and insight can set you apart from others who may offer similar services. I used to spend hours researching businesses. I would dive deep into their history, their mission, and their current projects. I wanted to make sure my pitch was perfect. I rehearsed it multiple times, refining it until it was just right. It paid off. Many of those cold calls turned into long-term clients. Building these relationships took time and effort, but the rewards were worth it. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So take a chance, put yourself out there, and seize the opportunities that come your way. The effort you put in today can lead to incredible opportunities tomorrow. Confidence, fake it till you make it. Confidence is key. Even if you're terrified, project an image of self-assurance. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Remember, you're good at what you do. Focus on your strengths. Highlight your unique skills. When I first started, I used to practice my elevator pitch in the mirror. It felt silly, but it boosted my confidence. And guess what? It worked. Believe in yourself. You've got this. The power of giving, providing value up front. Share your knowledge freely. Create valuable content, blog posts, videos, social media updates related to your field. When you provide value, people take notice. It positions you as an expert and builds trust. Remember Online with Teresa. It started with a simple blog post. Sharing my knowledge helped me connect with my audience and build a community. Give, give, give. The rewards will follow. Celebrate small wins, learn from setbacks. Landing your first client is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every milestone, every email response, every networking opportunity, every project completed. And remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Don't let them discourage you. Learn from them and keep moving forward. I remember the first time a potential client rejected my proposal. I was devastated, but I learned from it, refined my pitch, and landed my next client. Remember, every experience is a learning opportunity. Keep going. Ready, set, launch. Your journey starts now. You've got the tools, the knowledge, and the power to make it happen. Take that first step. What are your biggest takeaways? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Online with Teresa for more inspiring content. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.